Hey friends, did you know that you can start investing in the stock market with just $50 and grow your money over time? Today, I'll show you step by step how to get started. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll share some tips most beginners don't know. Why the stock market? The stock market is a place where your money doesn't just sit, it can actually grow. Keeping money in the bank gives you very low interest, but with smart investments, you can earn much higher returns. Especially for small investors, the stock market is a powerful opportunity. Step-by-step investment guide. 1. Open a brokerage account. First, you need to open an online brokerage account. Many platforms allow you to start with a bank account or payment app. 2. Do your research. Decide which company stocks to invest in. Don't start with small, unknown companies. Start with established and stable stocks. 3. Start small. Begin with just $50 in one or two stocks. The goal is to learn and minimize risk. 4. Invest regularly. Put a small amount into the market each month. Consistency is key in stock investing. 5. Monitor and adjust. Keep an eye on the market. Sell or buy more if needed, but don't panic over short-term fluctuations. Common mistakes to avoid. Watch out for these common beginner mistakes. Putting all your money into one stock. Buying and selling too frequently based on rumors. Not having a long-term plan. Outro/call to action. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you're ready to start investing, take that small first step today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which finance topic you want me to cover next. Pro tip: showing graphs, charts, or screenshots of stock apps in the video will increase engagement and growth.